What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, September 11th, 2019. I came across another post on Bitcoin, really interesting, tying into our charts that we've been covering, and I really want to talk about this, the potential for a bullish break to the upside. First off, thanks for watching this video. I discovered today that if I don't record me, if I don't edit these videos, I can actually upload these videos and get these done so much quicker. I've been so busy, so this might be how I need to kind of approach this channel for the next month or so, leading into the Litecoin Summit. So with that said, let's jump in. Here's the chart. I just opened TradingView. I don't know who this is, but they charted this, and I saw, there's a lot of patterns going on here, but the one they're talking about is an inverse head and shoulders, a left shoulder back in August 15th, the head August 29th, right shoulder potentially in play right now. So going over to our charts, we've been covering some things, and I want to tie this all together to really show you the potential. Where we are right now, really critical area. So here we go. Number one, we've been charting this symmetrical triangle, right? We have lower highs that we see here going into the apex here of this triangle. Here's our bottom trend line with the higher lows, and we're really in the apex of this symmetrical triangle. I believe there will be a dramatic break to the upside or downside very soon. Secondly, we've been tracking this falling wedge, right? This longer term falling wedge. We have our we have our lower highs, and we have our lower lows with a potential another lower low, extreme lower low, potentially in the 7,000s, maybe up here closer to 8,000 at this 200 moving average. But it's something else we're considering, especially for a move to the downside. Now, in regards to this inverse head and shoulders that we have somebody posted on TradingView, this is where we are. So here's the inverse head and shoulders playing into the charts that we've been tracking. Very, very interesting. Mainly because we have the 50 moving average right here on the daily chart kind of acting as the neckline to this pattern. Not exactly, but very confluent with the area. So here's how we would have it charted, pretty much like this. So you have our left shoulder back here. We have our head right here going to the end of August, up back to the neckline just above the 50 moving average, and back down to the lower trend line of the symmetrical triangle, potentially a right shoulder in formation for a breakout to the upside. That would break us out of the symmetrical triangle. That would break us out of the falling wedge. Obviously, it would break us out of the inverse head and shoulders, breaking above the neckline here, close to 11,000. That's the move we will be looking for on the short term. You want to check out 10,400 right at that 50 moving average on the daily chart. That's probably the shortest term resistance that we might see. If we get a break above there, on its way up to this very confluent area right here, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders and this longer term upper trend line. That is right around 10,900 to 11,000. If we get a break above 11,000, maybe Bitcoin makes a run. That could be extremely bullish. It's something I wanted to throw out there for you. Like I said, I just discovered this today. This is extremely easy for me to record this, save it, upload it, get the content to you without doing all the editing. I know you might miss seeing my face, doubtful, but this isn't all the time, but this is just sometimes to put some content. I've had trouble doing it. I've been so busy running the business and so busy trying to take care of our clients that I haven't had the time to really go through and create content, especially editing part. It takes a lot of time, but I appreciate you coming by. If you're here right now and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel as we grow this thing, hopefully enter a bull market quite soon. Appreciate you coming by. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.